Good morning, everybody. I hope that you all are doing really well. If you don't know, I am ironing. Yay! Ironing. This is my least favorite chore, so I usually put it off. And I decided to go ahead and get some done this morning because Roman and Callum are at Roman's mother's house. Roman he needed his mom's computer for something with his master thesis, and he needed a Windows computer, and we use Mac. So he went over to her house to get a little bit done with his master thesis, and he brought Callum over to play with his Oma and hang out with her for a little bit. And then that gives this mama some time to get some things done. We're going to a birthday party later today for a 2-year-old, and I spent the morning just wrapping a present, and I finished the cake. Oh, we are all in the car and we're heading to the birthday party. And Roman just wants some carrot cake, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You tried the leftover pieces that I cut off last night. How was it?
Good as always.
You love carrot cake though anyways. What's going on there?
I have no idea.
Huh. You excited? Are you excited about the party? No, you're not?
All he wants is food.
Well, you're gonna get some cake at the party and play with some friends. That's gonna be fun, huh? And sing happy birthday to your friend? Oh. Wow. He'll have fun when he's there.
Yay, Katie's carrot cake. Finally done.
Tierno? Super.
Little clowns. Yeah, good job.
Here's the final product for the carrot cake. Aren't those so cute? Those little clown guys. So cute. Callum, we're gonna sing happy birthday, okay? Woo! Yay! Aww, Callum's got a little sniffle. Oh, geez.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I hate colds. Callum's got to read some books with Papa tonight. Okay? Huh?
Kann ich mal ein Buch holen?
Yeah, go get some books.
Mit Pinguin Pete?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one too.
Papa muss
We're
noch
home
Barbie
from the birthday party, and Callum had a lot of fun. He always likes going and playing with other people's toys, and as long as they've got some sort of vehicle with wheels, he'll play with it. And he's got himself a little cold and started this morning, so
What's getting really bad already?
great.
Yeah.
So, we have kind of a busy week this week. We've got, not 1, not 2, but 3 playgroup activities, and then, doctor's appointments and haircuts and all that kind of stuff. So there's just a lot going on this week, and he really needs to be healthy. But he'll probably have this cold for about a week. He'll probably,
At least.
yeah, be in his system. Hopefully it'll all be better by the time we fly, because flying when you're totally stopped up is just the worst. So he should be okay by then, but I'm just gonna take good care of him. So
Uh-oh.
oh, he's rubbing his nose.
Oh, jeez, Callum.
Oh, goodness.
Några fan med ett land.
Mm. All right, I think we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping it up for the night and just see if we can find him. I know we've got some like saline spray. We'll have to get him some saline spray. And oh yeah, I better get going. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.